Good morning again. This is motor test trip number 4. So what else can I say? I've rewired the fuel pump again. This time I've added a fuse, an inline fuse to it, 10 amp. Hopefully that's sufficient. And hopefully the connections stay connected and we don't have any problems like we did last time. I will be monitoring the wiring to ensure that it's not getting warm or hot at all. And there we go. It would have done it by now with the fuel pump, so that's working. Just making sure everything stays together and these wires don't start heating up. You know, I'm just gonna call it good. I'm gonna start fishing. I'm gonna call it good. Doesn't feel warm. This is, you know, wires don't feel warm. I guess we'll take the cowling off and inspect that real quick, but we're going to call it a fishing trip. Fish on! Yes, sir. Feels like a good one. Woo. Woohoo! Yeah, baby. Alrighty, fish. It's starting to miss. But it was definitely starting to miss. And that was after about, I don't know, five minutes of running, wide open throttle. Let's open her up again, see what happens. Definitely missing bad. I wonder if putting the old coil back on. I really don't know.
Still snug in there. No sign of the water or the wire like melting or getting hot, so I think that's fixed. But definitely having some firing issues. Let's let her cool off. We'll fish and we'll check back. Yep, we didn't get that on film. But look at that tank. Little rod. Nice fish. Nice fish, that was fun. No idea, man. I mean, it doesn't feel hot to me. It's pissing. I don't know. We'll just limp it on home. Yeah. No idea why it's doing that. You tell me. Seems to run fine right like that. It's not missing right now. Yeah, when it hits that second jet though. So at this RPM, seems to run fine. If I give it any more throttle, it does that. Weird. It's a boat motor, that's for sure. I got no idea.